Hi, I'm Amrita Bhatt. I'm a product specialist from TopSolid India. TopSolid offers a unique CAD/CAM solution for metal, steel, and wood industry. It manages your project from study to production with multiple models to support the process. In this video, let's focus on TopSolid'Wood. TopSolid'Wood is a customized solution that adapts to your need. For interior designers, shop fitting designers, contractors, or architects, this software is a dream come true. Its advanced wooden functions integrate machining issues on the 3D model right from the modeling phase. By using a feature-rich tool like TopSolid'Wood, you can design unlimited 3D and surface models with exceptional flexibility to optimize your work. Since TopSolid is a total parametric solution, it offers powerful customization at every stage with the help of a component library of your own. With sheet metal, plastics, or steel, TopSolid'Wood's integration with the other TopSolid models allows you to easily work on multi-material projects. With TopSolid'Wood, communicate more easily and satisfy your customers. It not only has powerful drawing features, TopSolid provides photorealistic rendering and advanced VR options as well. Since TopSolid supports almost every 2D and 3D drawing format out there, data exchange with your team members or your clients is effortless. Complete associativity between the model defined in CAD and the preparation in CAM, TopSolid'Wood CAM can drive any simple machines to complex 4 or 5 axis machines as well. TopSolid product range is unique, fresh, and comprehensive on the market. Thanks to its advanced technology and permanent sense of innovation to the benefit of its customers, TopSolid has grown exponentially well on the global CAD/CAM market. And it's always coming up with new updates to align with the modern day technologies. For any more further details on the solution, please feel free to contact us in TopSolid India. We are always there to help you in any way possible. Dropping the details on the screen. Thanks for watching.